Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Republic of Congo, which is also called Brazzaville. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing you must check is that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality duration purpose, you may or actually may not need a visa. Whenever you check such requirements or process, you should always check as per the official entity of the country that governs your that governs your residential area. Because based on your residential uh, area, there could be additional steps, additional documents, even additional fee too. All right. So let's say you live in Canada. So in front of you, I have opened this Republic of Congo embassy in Canada. But yeah, according to your country, you can check this information. So here, under consular services, I have visas. So we are going to go for tourist visa. So they have given the duration and processing category. They have express also. Required document, 2 passport photos, valid passport, attach a copy. Okay. Hotel reservation or letter of invitation, whichever is valid for your case. Airline ticket copy and itinerary. So basically in and out and this. How to send? You should send a prepaid stamped envelope from DHL, FedEx, UPS, tracking number so that they can return your documents and you can actually track it. Address is given. Processing time is 7 to 10 days. Emergency process 2 days. Okay, working days. All right. So when you are ready, click on apply now. So again, it has given you the checklist and fee also. So you should start surname. I'm putting sample, you do it as per your own case. Mother surname at birth. Yeah. So here you need to upload your photo. Okay. So the next step, it is asking for the personal information. Okay. Do it as per your own case, not by just what I'm doing. Place of birth. Let's say you were born in India. Marital status. Hello. Occupation. And to put your email also. Put correct. Don't do it like this. I'm just doing sample, but you have to do. Travel document informs. You see, it's in 3 pages. Type of passport, regular. Place of issue. Of course, check everything that you enter at least 2 times. Date of issue. Crossing mode listed before. Type of visit. Duration. Okay. So registration after Congo. Okay, and other things, date of entry, when are you gonna enter? I'll just say main destination, provide that information, reason for traveling, tourism, name of the contact person, address, phone number, provide that. Street name and address of all business people you would meet there. Means of transportation used, say airline. So after this, you can submit and save, and it will generate the form that you need to send. But yeah, I'm not gonna do that. But you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys. Other steps have been shown already. So that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.